So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Please comment down in the section. I will read them, and you can throw some ideas. I will try to make some of it. So alright, here's what we got going on now. I just finished the build of it. It dries and everything. The controller is on. I gotta make a new controller. Alright, so let's get with it real quick. Okay, this one I made it just rear wheel drive. Okay, what can I say? I got the brushless motor already connected. Got the NRF2401 antenna going on. ESC. I'll put the specs down the comment section on the description, and click in there to help on my channel. All right. So this is a work in progress. I'm gonna go through it real carefully. Okay. And I'm trying to prevent this from starting. Okay. Alright. The wiring here is a whole lot simpler than my previous work. That right there. Okay. Take a look at that real quick. Right there. Okay. That's what the nano board is on. NRF is just right underneath. It's in there. So, alright. Okay, it's just open diff. I just left it. Okay, the diff is open, or the case itself. All right, I just done fixed this today. Couple things. Finish up with the code. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah, take a good look. All right, now we're going to drive it. All right. Okay. Let me see if how I can do this with just one hand. Okay. You know what? Just give me a second. All right. Okay, guys, I'm just working hard just to keep it in focus on the camera. All right. You know, I don't want to hit the wall or something and just break the suspension. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm just keeping on with the throttle. All right. So there it is. Beautiful, right? Here, how the steering mechanism works. This is just very primitive. I'm working, actually doing a sketch right now, trying to do something completely different from this. It's gonna take me a lot of work, but it's some sensors, but I'll get it done. That's the battery. Okay, guys, this is just the wiring for the nano board. Really simple. That's where the nano is sitting right there, and right next to it is the NRF antenna. Now this antenna is the one that goes in the remote controller, but I just put it there for now anyway, because I'm just here at the house. Yeah, that's it. Then the motor is on one single piece. Okay, it's running on this bracket right here that I was just working on. Like the motor comes out as a one single piece just by unhooking these three wires. It's the speed controller, the ESC. That's it. I'll show the bottom one more time. Okay, this switch is there just to control it. You know, like some aftermarket RC cars, they don't have that switch right there. You just plug in the battery, and the whole stencil will turn on its own. This one, I guess, is just like a safety switch or a kill switch, however you want to see it. Not only that, as a secondary or third shut off, I uploaded a code so that if the board detects that there is no NRF signal in the air for half a second, it will turn the motor off to 0 on the map code. And all I have to do is just unplug the remote, and the car will stop on code wherever it's at. Okay. Good stuff, right? Alright, let me do a size comparison with my previous work. I know y'all guys love this one. I gotta make a video on this one. I just been really busy and lazy. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, that's the Rex. Okay. This one, it's I was planning to do like a caravan style. I gotta do the whole body shell and everything. This is gonna take me a long time to finish. I want to add some headlights and everything, and I'm just trying to get the basic shape of the chassis narrowed down. Look at that one. I know that one looks sick. Okay. All right, guys. Again, hit the like button, subscribe, check my Facebook page. I will put a list on all the parts that I done bought for this, including the GoPro that I bought to make the videos. Right here, GoPro Session 5. I'll put that on the description box. All right. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.